Hello YouTube, I'm Clarence. Today I want to share to the YouTube about my homemade air gun. So it's kind of very simple, even it looks very simple, but it's worked very well. It's kind of powerful, very powerful. You can make it under, let's say, $5. Yeah, and I use a frame with the like a 1-inch square wood. I use it for my handle and then the frame, and I found this piece of metal tube. You can find it anywhere, or you can buy it, or you can find it some old cloth rack or anywhere. This one is a kind of plastic tube, flexible, and I have a valve here. It's an air valve. That's what I use for my trigger. And here I got a cylinder, my air cylinder. It's a kind of can, like I think it's a perfume. I just cut it off here and I joined a piece of this plastic. You can connect the tube, connect to the trigger. And here I got this item. You can find in the hardware store, or I don't know, you can, or even you can get this piece from the motorcycle tire tube, and you just cut it and remove it from the tube and take it. So I just connect it to this plastic tube using, it's flexible, using tie with this one. So tube tie, and I got this T-joint. You can using for the mostly air tubes joint. It's a tube joint. You can find it in the hardware store. So here's the trick. If you close this trigger and you connect this one you can use. This is very simple, the motorcycle air pump. You can buy it under $8. Yeah, and you can see the PSI, how many PSI you are giving pressure to the tube. I think how many PSI you giving to the cylinder, and it will be your distance of the target where you shooting. That's how you control it. And you can connect this to this and pressure the air, so the air will stay into the cylinder, because this one is a non-return valve. The air is not coming back even you remove it after pressure it. And when you want to shoot, I just have a cap. This one is the what I use for the shoot. It's a kind of steel balls. I just buy it under $8, 1,000 pieces of this, very cheap. So you will put this one in here, and maybe you think, oh, it will coming out. No, actually it's not coming out, because I use some trick for it. I put a piece of small magnet over here. You can see bottom of the tube, my metal, because this one is metal, and I put a piece of magnet. So if not, the bullet, the steel ball will coming back from the here. so you can shoot even the bottom side or the upper side or whatever. The ball will not fall until you shoot because it's sticking to the metal. So if you want to get the ball back, just remove the magnet, so the ball is gone. It's fall. So that's how and still I'm not yet finished all the way, but still you can shoot, but not really proper way, because the trigger I put it little far from my holder where it has to be here, but it's far because I got to figure out if you try to shoot by your finger like this or whatever, it's very slow. You don't know, even maybe you will lose your target also. You have to open all while. So I plan to do something different. I will put some piece of nail here and I connect a spring or rubber, kind of rubber, or the rubber band or the spring, and I will connect it another. I have to find out what something over here I can hold here, so when it's closed but connect with the spring, so when I shoot, the spring, it will release from here and spring will pull it out so quickly, then you can do it with your finger. So that's the better way to you can shoot and your hand will not move to open or whatever. Yeah, that's only I think for now I can share, but still I'm not really finished the gun, but you can still shoot. And later I planning to buy a rifle scope. I already found it in the internet under $50, like $40, yeah, $35, $40, you can buy it, little bit cheaper one. So I'm planning to put it, connect it here, the scope, so you can get the target from the scope and shoot it nicely. And yeah, that's all until now. Need to buy my scope and fix my trigger. It's really funny. It's too, like very simple, but really work good, trust me. So thank you for watching. Please share my video and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on my next episode of my air gun. I wish I can find out how to put my trigger in here, and I will buy my scope. Thank you for watching. Bye, see you later.